Okay guys, atong topic karon is about sequence and series. This is good for grade 10 students. And also, all of you class, just try to listen. Okay, let's differentiate unsay kalainan sa sequence and series. Now let's talk about first sequence. Okay guys, before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe and kindly hit the notification bell for more videos. And also like and share this video. Thank you. Okay, sequence is a particular order that has a particular pattern. So, kung moingon kag sequence is a type of order, let me say anything, no? Anything nga naka-arrange, no? Is a particular order nga naka-arrange. Nga naa siya particular pattern kung giunsa pag-arrange. Say for example, counting numbers, no? Si counting numbers kay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on and so forth. Okay, that is a type of a sequence nga naa siya particular order. Unsay particular order niya? Okay. Okay, si counting number again as what I said is a part of or is an example of sequence. Nga naman kuan man gyud siya particular order nga naay pattern. Unsay pattern niya? How to determine pattern? Okay, this is how to determine the pattern. Tan-awa gay ninyo. Before ta ni generate kang 2, unsay nahitabo? Every first number, okay, every first number, example si 1, every first number, to generate the next number, mag-add ta og 1. Diba? So, mo generate din si next number which is 2. Then, after na po din ana, mag-add na po tag 1 to generate the next number. So, next number is, 1 I mean. Mag-add na po tag 1 to generate the next number. So 3. Next na po dayon is mag-add na po taog 1 to generate the next number. So mo nang 4 until kung asa ka nimo gusto mag-end. So have you noticed nga ang pattern niya is every leading number mag-add ta og 1 to generate the number. So mo na yung pattern. So ma-consider nato siya nga sequence. Kaya naman siya particular pattern nga order. So, mo na ang sequence. So, ang pattern niya, mag-add ta every leading number. By the way, unsa ang leading number? Ang leading number is ang gauna. Okay? Ang preceding number dayon is ang ulahi. Again na, leading number, nag-una. Preceding number, na ulahi. So, that is an example of sequence. Okay, series. Series na punta. So, what is series? Ingon siya diri, series is a sum of all terms in a sequence. So, kumbaga, imong i-add tanan term. So, kinsa gani ang term? Katong mga, bitong example kaganina, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kato sila nga mga number and so on and so forth. Kato siya nga mga number, matawag to nato nga term, no term. Katong mga elements ni sequence, mo na si term. Kung imo daw to siyang i-add tanan, ang tawag sa total ato is series. Kay the sum of all terms man. Kung imo to example lugar ha, okay, example 1 plus unsa ito sunod 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, example daghan pa man na di ba kay infinite man na. Okay, kung imo nang i-plus tanan, example 1 2 3 4 lang. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, ang sum niya is equal to 10, di ba? So ang tawag anang sum niya is series. Okay, mao na si series, the sum of all terms in a sequence. So, timan-i mo na ang series. While si sequence is a particular order that has a particular pattern. Mo na ilang kalainan. So, now, let's move on to types of sequence. Okay, types of sequence na atay ginatawag na arithmetic, geometric, harmonic, and Fibonacci sequence. So those are types of sequence. Now let's talk about a arithmetic. What is arithmetic sequence? Okay, arithmetic. What is arithmetic? Arithmetic is a sequence where the particular pattern is a common difference. So, is a type of sequence class nga ang iyahang pattern is ang common difference. Now, question, what is common difference? So, mao po na itong pangutana karon. So, timan-an ninyo ha, basta gani arithmetic sequence, ang iyahang pattern is common difference. So, ato sang sabton, unsa ang common difference? Okay, here. Common difference is a difference between two consecutive terms of elements of a sequence. Okay, say for example, katong counting numbers ganina, example to siya sa arithmetic sequence. Why? Naaman siya common difference. And how did I say so that naa siya common difference? Okay, say for example, okay, di ba 1. So, mo na atong first number sa arithmetic sa counting number followed by 2, 3, 4, di ba? Siya ang atong counting number. So example siya is arithmetic sequence na siya nga naman na siya common difference. Okay, try to subtract gani, di ba? Sa iyang ingon niya is a difference between two consecutive term or elements. So naatay mag-example ta og two consecutive term, 1 ug 2. So unsa may common difference niya, di ba 1? Try gani subtract si 2 minus 1. Di ba ang iyahang common difference is 1, di ba? 1. Same ra gihapon kang 3 minus 2, 1 gihapon, di ba? 1 ang iyahang common difference. 4 og 3, 1 gihapon. Even 5 and 4, 1 gihapon. Even 6 minus 5, 1 gihapon. So 1, kaning 1 ang tawag ana common difference. Nagets ninyo? Common difference. Therefore, si counting number is a type of sequence which is what we call arithmetic sequence. Kaya naaman siya common difference. So, nagets na ninyo unsa ang common difference o unsaon pagpangita sa common difference. So, that is arithmetic sequence. Kung i-plus na nimo siya, kana siya nga sequence which is arithmetic, ang tawag sa iyahang series is arithmetic series. So, nagets ninyo what is arithmetic sequence? Okay, now let's move on to geometric sequence. Okay, next is geometric sequence. Okay, this is another type of a sequence. So what is geometric sequence? According to the definition, is a sequence where the particular pattern is a common ratio. Okay, common ratio na pod. Kaganina common difference, di ba? So nagets naman to nato. Now, what is common ratio? So that is a question now. So ato sang i-determine unsa ang common ratio. Okay. Common ratio is the ratio between two consecutive elements. Okay. Question is unsaon pag-determine sa ratio? Okay. To determine the ratio, say for example, geometric sequence. Again, mailhan nimo nga geometric sequence siya pag naa siya ratio, di ba? Now, unsaon pag-determine sa ratio? Okay. Say for example 2, this is how to generate the common sequence. I-multiply nato siya og 2 every term. So 2 times 2, 4. Okay? 4 times 2, 8. Then 8 times 2, 16. So on and so forth. So that is geometric sequence. Nga naman, gi-generate nato siya by multiplying the common ratio. Now, what is common ratio? Okay, common ratio is the ratio between two consecutive numbers. And how to determine the common ratio? Just simply divide the preceding number by the leading number. So, kumbaga, imong i-divide si 4 kang 2 kay siya man ang nag-una, no? Leading ang 2, preceding ang 4. Preceding means ang nagsunod, leading means ang nag-una. So, kumbaga, si 4 siya ang preceding number ni 2, where si 2 siya ang leading number ni 4. Kung diri pud ta mag-base, si 8 siya ang preceding number ni 4, while si 4 siya ang leading number ni 8. Diri pud sa 16, si 16 ang preceding number ni 8, while si 8 siya ang leading number ni 16. Kumbaga, ang preceding number ni 8, 16. Ang iyang leading number is 4. So, nagets ninyo? Now, how to determine the ratio? So, yung anion lang siya. Every preceding number, i-divide nimo siya sa leading number. Kumbaga, ang nagsunod nga number, i-divide sa nag-una nga number para ma-determine nimo ang ratio. Say for example, 4 divide 2, di ba? Kay si 4 man ang nagsunod, si 2 ang nag-una. So, pila may answer ana, di ba? 2. Okay, to determine the common ratio, mag-divide na po kag another consecutive 2 elements. Let we say si 8, no? Si 8 divide na to og 4. Pila may answer 2, di ba? 8 divide 4, di ba? 2 gihapon. Okay, let us say 16. Divide na to siya og gasunod niya is 8. So 2 gihapon. So kabantay mo nga every division nga atong buhaton, ang iyang result, ang iyang quotient is 2. Mean to say mao na ang common ratio. Okay? So inverse ana is ingon ana pag-generate ang geometric sequence. So mao na ang geometric sequence. Again class, to determine that the sequence is an arithmetic or a geometric, just simply determine their particular pattern, whether that is ratio or difference, or common ratio or common difference. So that is how to determine. Okay, now let's move on to harmonic. Okay, now next, harmonic sequence. So what is harmonic sequence? According to the definition, is the reciprocal progression of an arithmetic sequence. Reciprocal. So balihon na to ang arithmetic sequence, no? Kabalo man sa reciprocal, di ba? Say for example, 3. Reciprocal ana is 1/3, di ba? Say for example, 4. Reciprocal ana is 1/4. Or let we say 2/3. Okay? Reciprocal ana is 3/2. Sama ng reciprocal. So according to the harmonic sequence definition, is the reciprocal progression of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so reciprocal ni sequence progression mao na ang harmonic. Okay, so unsa man to atong harmonic, di ba? Unsa to atong harmonic? Ang atong arithmetic. Di ba kaganina atong arithmetic is example nato is counting numbers, and mao tong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. So reciprocal ana mao ang harmonic. So unsa man mao man ang arithmetic progression nato. Reciprocal ana mao ang harmonic. So example si 1. Ang iyang reciprocal na 1 ra gyapon kay 1/1 is 1. Kani 2, that is 1/2, di ba? 1/2 followed by 1/3, followed by 1/4, followed by 1/5, and so on and so forth. So mao na ang harmonics. Hope na gets ninyo ang harmonic. Okay, that's simple. Mao ra ang harmonic reciprocal progression of arithmetic sequence. So may to say na aga pon siya common difference, di ba? Kay related man siya ni arithmetic sequence. Ang ihang pattern ba? So now let's move on to Fibonacci sequence. No, the sequence of life. Mao na si Fibonacci sequence. Okay, Fibonacci sequence is a sequence where each number of a sequence is the sum of the two numbers that precede it, no? So say for example, ang Fibonacci sequence daw is ingon ani, ang every elements niya or ang terms niya kay sum sa duha nga iyang gisundan, no? Sa duha ka number nga iyang gisundan. Say for example, to generate the Fibonacci sequence, say for example, si 1, di ba? How to generate 1? That is the sum of 0 plus 1. So that is why we have 1, di ba? So now, how to proceed? How to generate 2? Okay, to generate 2, we have to add the two numbers nga iyang gisundan. So those are 1 and 1. So i-plus kay ng 1 ug 1. Di ba ang sum is 2? So mao nang mo generate si 2. Now si 3, giunsa pag-generate si 3? Again, as what I said, ang iyang pattern is sum siya sa duha ka number nga iyang gisundan. Si for example, 1 ug 2. I-plus nimo 3. Si 5 pod, 2 plus 3. 5. Si 8 pod, 3 plus 5, 8. Now, ang sunod nga number niya is i-plus nimo si 5 ug 8. Mao na ang Fibonacci sequence. By the way, si Fibonacci sequence is ang pattern of life, no? So, usually makita nimo sa sa pattern sa lives is about kang Fibonacci. Like ang pag-grow sa dahon, ang pag-grow sa tree, no? Ang humans structure, no? Mga building structures dire, tanan halos makita nimo is Fibonacci sequence. Ang pattern niya is Fibonacci sequence. So mao nang Fibonacci sequence. So hope nga naamoy na tun-an aning akong discussion. So maybe next time mag-talk ta about how to generate the number of arithmetic, no? Those sequence, arithmetic, geometric, harmonic, and Fibonacci sequence. So ato tong i-talk unsaon to siya pag-generate og if ever naay isa ka term nga may missing ato ito siyang italk kay medyo taas na kang video nga akong nabuhat. Hope you learned something and paki-share para daghay makasabot. And I will show you some videos after ani katong videos about sa mga Fibonacci sequence.